Hey guys, my name is Isaac. We're going to be talking about the MacBook Pro for 2020. Very excited. Design, main internals, other hardware, pricing, release, everything we're going to talk about. Starting with design, no reports, or we don't know anything about the physical design, what it's going to look like. All we know is pretty much colors, which is assumed is silver and gray, and then the screen technology is changing from LCD to micro LED according to Ming-Chi Kuo in Q4 of 2020. That's fantastic to hear. Micro LED is superior to LCD in virtually every way you can think of it. Prevents burn-in issues, better contrast for better colors, it's brighter, it's more power efficient, all that great stuff, which you can see if Apple is revamping the screen. You could possibly see a sharper display. Main internals, Apple will be switching from Intel to in-house processors. Fantastic. It will help iOS developers, specifically iPadOS developers, bring their apps to macOS. Getting into other, Face ID could be coming this year. There's no report saying 2020 it's coming, just based on a patent and speculation of Apple adding Face ID to their iPads and their iPhones. It's likely we could see Face ID. Then there's 5G connectivity according to DigiTimes. That's pretty much the gist. Then there's an interesting patent that was filed a bit ago. Wireless charging coils built inside of the computer, located underneath where your palms would typically rest when typing, along with a coil right underneath the key, the trackpad. Placing your iPhone or AirPods on these coils to charge them. I don't see how this could be very helpful, considering you need those, your hands is going to be taking up that space when using your computer. I don't see much use for it. It could be helpful occasionally, but it's there. Who knows? Maybe it could come this year. Then there's the camera. Right now, we have a measly, 1.2 megapixel camera with 720p. Like, boost it up to 1080p. There haven't been any reports on them upgrading the camera, but for such an expensive laptop, 720, that's not really that okay, you know what I mean? Transitioning to storage and pricing, currently it starts at $23.99 and it will either stay there or only get more expensive. Last year there was a report that the MacBook Pro 16-inch would start at 90,000 Taiwan dollars, which translates to approximately $28.99 USD. That report turned out to be false. However, it is possible that this report could actually reflect to the 2020 MacBook Pros later this year. So the pricing would actually increase to $28.99 due to 5G if that becomes a reality, and all the other components that make the computer more expensive. Released according to Bloomberg, Ming-Chi Kuo, it's going to be unveiled in Q4 of 2020. And just to the side, Q3 of 2020 is when we will actually be seeing the 2020 iPad Pro, and that is also going to adopt a micro LED. That's great to hear. Well guys, that's everything we know on the MacBook Pro. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video.